In today's video, I'm working on a 16-inch wood circle, and I wanted to try out another strainer pour. So I have my small sink strainer, and then I have just a simple color palette of black, white, and gold mixed up. I have my wood circle propped up on some cups so that the excess paint can run off. And then I have each of my colors mixed with Sargent Art Gloss Medium and water, and I'm keeping them on the slightly thicker side so that the design will hopefully hold shape once I'm pouring through that sink strainer. I put a small amount of black down right in the middle so that hopefully my other colors start to move evenly and smoothly once I start pouring them through the sink strainer. And I found out really quickly my white paint was a little bit too thin. I should have kept it a little bit thicker. It was mixing too much with the black and created a lot of gray throughout the piece. But the gold and the black were really nice and thick, and those kept some really nice defined areas of color through my pour. I just kept alternating my colors, and I had some really nice areas in this one. My husband said it almost looked like the back of a seashell when I was done pouring, and I think this technique has a lot of potential, especially if you use some really nice bright colors. You can get some really awesome designs with this. So next time I'll try something a little bit brighter instead of the black and white, which creates such a dark color palette, but it dried really, really nicely. I do like the style and the design that the sink strainer creates with all the little open slots that it has. And this is just a really fun and different technique to do every once in a while. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Let me know if there are other colors that you'd like to see with this style. I think this one would be a lot of fun, like I said, in some other brighter colors. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. I do post 3 videos a week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.